Hello world, this is Drew coming back with another South Carolina drive-through video. Today we're doing a dash cam drive-through the town of Stuckey, South Carolina. Stuckey is in Kingstree County. Is in Williamsburg County, and like everything else in Williamsburg County, it doesn't have a welcome sign or anything, so you just kind of have to guess where town limits start. I thought this was pretty simple because the whole town is basically a town hall and Stuckey Brothers Furniture. I guess that's where they make Stuckey Brothers Furniture. I'm going to show you that right there. But it's basically just a town devoted to that. There's a water tower too. And I also filmed, I just kept filming even though there's really nothing there, because the speed limit doesn't change to 55 to up the road, and there's apparently 200 to 400 people that live here, 200 to 400 people, and they gotta live somewhere, so I figured I was still in town limits. Stuckey is such a small rural place that you can't even find any information about it online. But anyway, that was Stuckey, South Carolina.